Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install free VPN application on your Motorola Defy. So firstly, you need to open your web browser and open TurboVPN.io web page. Thanks to this website we can see how all websites see our location. In my case it's Poland, Krakow, and it's true. But now just open Play Store and install any free VPN application, for example Turbo VPN. Then click Install and click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Cool. Now click on the cross on the left top corner and fine. Now we have two important buttons. First button is carrot on the center of the screen. Clicking on this button you will be connected to the fastest and nearest server, or if you want to choose country to connect to, click on the globe on the right top corner and choose the country you want to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany, so click on Frankfurt, click OK, and cool. Now we are connected to Germany servers. So just reload to TurboVPN.io web page, and as you can see we are in France. I don't know why, so I will try again. So for example, I want to connect to United States. I'll use commerce, so wait a while and reload to IP.io web page. As you can see, we are in United States now. So it works, maybe not excellent, but it works. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.